Today we woke up ready to go to PA. You know, planning everything. Phone messed up.
Look at all this water. Guess how he messed up his phone. So every day when he gets home from the street, he puts his phone under the sink with soap and washes it, because that's how he takes away the virus.
Went to T-Mobile. I'm going the wrong way. It wasn't happening. We still here.
Now we're going to Adonis' favorite stop in the Bronx, Dollar Tree. So we just came from Target. We bought some groceries and a bunch of stuff that we're gonna need on the road. We're not professional campers.
We're not even park campers. We're packing.
It's 4 in the morning and we don't have everything ready yet, but we're supposed to leave in a few hours.
I'm tired, y'all.
We've only slept 3 hours today. We haven't showered, we haven't packed the car, but we will make it.
So this is how my day is going, guys. As I was coming to take off and head to PA, this is the welcome I got. So now, to call the insurance and see how this bad day can get any worse.
We had to come to Enterprise and rent a car. Meanwhile, while the Camaros get fixed in about a week. So let's see how that works out.
We found out about the crash around 11:30. It's 2 p.m. and we are still carless. It's not looking like we're gonna make it to PA today.
Let's see.
Finally got a car. 3:10 in the afternoon.
So we got a pickup truck. It's gonna be hard to find parking, but we're gonna do it. We disinfected the whole car with
Lysol wipes.
a bunch of Lysol wipes. Better to be safe than sorry. So this is the replacement for now. This is what we're gonna be using to go to PA. It is way bigger than the Camaro. You guys can see the comparison right here. So at least that's good. Way more spacious. Look how full. Things haven't been going as planned. Adonis' phone is not working. The car got hit. We're supposed to leave this morning, as we already said.
So I don't know what we're gonna do. We are still trying to find out, and now we're on our way to T-Mobile to see if I can switch my phone. Let's see what happens. Wow, what a day. Quick update, those were our disasters. It held us back. We didn't leave today. We're gonna leave tomorrow. It's already too late in the afternoon. Giselle's upset because she wanted to leave as soon as possible. We've had some obstacles, we overcame them, and we're definitely gonna hit the road tomorrow. We're gonna do it in this truck while my car gets fixed. So join us on that journey. Right now, I want you to subscribe, like, share, and hit that bell.
Look at that mask. Look at that mask.
It don't fit me.
Why? Because you don't listen to me. He kept watching.
I watched it in the washing machine.
In the watching.
I was watching
in the TV.
it
He
in
watched
the washing machine. Watching. I hate that clicking sound in the car. It's annoying. Click, click, click. And the wipers, oh my. I'd rather drive with the rain. Look. We gotta let loose. The body loose. Everybody make money. Look at the groceries. They in the back. Yeah, we lost all that money.
But we're getting it back.
But we getting it back.
Look at that.